Welcome back, everyone. Join us as we explore the hidden world of Komodo dragons. Remember to like and subscribe. Get ready to uncover the secrets of the Komodo dragon, Indonesia's true apex hunter. Imagine an animal so powerful, it dominates an entire island ecosystem with a bite that's both venomous and filled with bacteria. What if I told you this ancient predator isn't a dinosaur, but a reptile alive today? Here, amidst the lush rainforests and crystal-clear waters, lies a secret that has fascinated scientists and adventurers alike. Komodo dragons, also known as ora or bunkasan, reign supreme as the top predators on these islands. But they are not your typical reptiles. Komodo dragons have developed unique hunting strategies to catch their prey off guard, employing tactics that would put any seasoned hunter to shame. But how did these magnificent creatures adapt to their environment, and why should we care about their existence? Let us delve deeper into the life of the Komodo dragon and discover the secrets that make them true masters of disguise. These magnificent creatures can only be found on a few small islands in Indonesia, with Komodo Island being their namesake and home to the largest population. But what makes these islands so special, and how do they play a role in protecting the Komodo dragons? As we explore further, we'll uncover the fascinating relationship between the Komodo dragons and their environment, discovering how they rely on the unique flora and fauna of these islands to survive. Now let's shift our focus to the heart of the matter. What makes the Komodo dragon such a formidable predator? It all boils down to their incredible adaptation, their sharp claws and teeth, powerful jaws, and venomous bite. These tools may not be as flashy as those of a T-Rex, but don't be fooled. The Komodo dragon is a force to be reckoned with. Their venom, which researchers believe might have evolved independently from other venomous snakes, takes effect quickly, causing paralysis in their victims within minutes. And their saliva, well, it's a concoction of over 50 potentially toxic compounds. It's like having a built-in poison ivy right in your mouth. But the Komodo dragon's arsenal doesn't end there. Their skin is covered in tiny pits that detect infrared radiation, helping them navigate in the dark and strike with precision. It's like having night vision goggles built into their skin. And if that's not enough, Komodo dragons also possess an extraordinary sense of smell, enabling them to sniff out prey from miles away. They can pick up the scent of a decomposing body from up to 9 miles away. That's like having a sixth sense for finding food. With these incredible adaptations, it's no wonder that Komodo dragons are at the top of the food chain in their ecosystem. Speaking of their diet, Komodo dragons are not picky eaters. They are opportunistic carnivores, which means they will eat just about anything they can catch and bring down. Their preferred method of hunting is to ambush their prey, using their sharp teeth and powerful jaws to deliver a fatal bite. They typically go after large ungulates such as water buffaloes, but they are not above hunting smaller animals such as birds and rats. In fact, nothing is off limits to these voracious predators. And when they get their hands on a meal, they don't waste time in finishing it off. But their feeding frenzy doesn't last forever. Komodo dragons are not known to be aggressive towards humans, but it's best to admire them from a distance. If you're bitten by one of these reptiles, you won't survive long enough to tell the tale. If you've made it this far, chances are you're as fascinated by Komodo dragons as we are. These incredible creatures are not only fierce predators, but also play a vital role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystem. By understanding and appreciating these magnificent animals, we can work towards protecting them and ensuring that future generations can marvel at them as well. So the next time you hear someone say there's no such thing as dinosaurs, just break your phone and show them this video. After all, dinosaurs are just ancient reptiles, which means they could technically still exist somewhere out there. Who knows? Maybe one day we'll stumble upon a Jurassic treasure trove that turns our understanding of evolution on its head. Until then, we can marvel at the Komodo dragon, a living, breathing example of how nature continues to amaze and surprise us. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.